Nice and lovely, guys. And basically, as I said, I'm in the kitchen right now, and the only thing come to my mind is to make myself a nice, lovely cup of tea in the morning, because honestly, you know what I mean? Yeah, so get a half a lemon, squeeze it out, you know what I mean? Yeah, just like that. That is just fantastic and amazing. Now, I got some turmeric right here, which I'm going to be using. And I'll put a little bit in it, roughly about a teaspoon of it. Alright. Really nice. I'm gonna put a little bit of cinnamon powder, little bit of cayenne pepper, little bit of apple cider vinegar. A whole part of ingredients I go on and a teaspoon of honey. Sell off Chef Ricardo. Yeah. If you are in the kitchen, please do this one. Then you can use it on milk or hot water. Alright, I'm using some hot water. Just taste it. Ah, nice. That is lovely and nice, guys, honestly. Please enjoy this one, subscribe and tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. We have a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas will be coming from Chef Ricardo and the team. And as you can see for your own self, is a lovely recipe. Very easy, simple to make and not complicated. Alright, thank you so much for watching, and please tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. As I said, half a lemon, we got cinnamon powder, turmeric and cayenne pepper. We got apple cider vinegar, honey, and hot water. If you don't want to use hot water, you can use milk, because milk is also very good to use in it also. Alright, stay tuned and don't forget to click the notification bell, subscribe, tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. As I said, my name is Chef Ricardo, and I try my best to give you the best recipe in this whole entire world. Alright, guys, please tell a friend and a friend tell a friend with Chef Ricardo and the team, and I will definitely see you next time in the kitchen with more good recipes and good ideas for you to use at home. Stay tuned in the kitchen. Bye bye.